biochemistry. Let's start with the chapter of biochemistry. What is biochemistry and what we will read in this? What is biochemistry? Biology plus chemistry. In this chapter we will read how biology and chemistry work together. Chemistry work together in animal body in making different type of bonds. Biochemistry is basically, in this chapter we will learn about the biomolecules, that is carbohydrate, the second is nucleic acid, third is lipid molecule, fourth is protein. Okay, on the basis of CSIR net we will learn on only those points which are important for examination purpose. Okay, firstly we have to learn the starting with the chapter carbohydrate. Okay, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates. Firstly, we will learn that what is the definition of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are basically polyhydroxy, aldehyde or ketone group. Aldehyde or ketone. What is the meaning of this? Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone. Poly is basically represented more than one. Hydroxy is represented by hydrogen plus oxygen. Aldehyde is basically CHO, that is aldehyde group. And what is ketone? C double bond O. This is ketone. Carbohydrates are basically mixture of more than one hydrogen, then oxygen and aldehyde or ketone group. That is the definition of carbohydrate. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone. We will also say that carbohydrate are aldehyde or ketone with multiple hydroxyl group. Carbohydrates are basically saccharide. What is saccharides? What is saccharides? The sugar that is sweet in taste. Sugar sweet in taste, known as saccharides. Okay, then carbohydrate is divided into 4 parts. What are these 3 parts? Carbohydrate is basically divided into 3 parts. This is carbohydrate divided into 3 parts. First is monosaccharide, then disaccharide, then polysaccharide. In previous slide we will learn that what is saccharide. Saccharide term is used for those sugar which is sweet in taste. Okay, we will in next slide carbohydrate is basically divided into monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. What is the meaning of mono, di and poly? Monosaccharide. Mono is represent single saccharide, single molecule of sugar. Di is represented two molecule of sugar, and poly represent more than one sugar molecule. More than one sugar molecule. Okay, there is two form of carbons. Carbohydrates are present. The first is D form of sugar, D and L form of sugar. What is D form and what is L form? We will determine with the help of last chiral carbon or second last carbon. Last chiral carbon or second last carbon. What is D form and what is L form? Now we are getting an example. We are taking 6 carbon sugar, 6 carbon sugar. The one is D form sugar, D form aldo sugar, and one is L form aldo sugar. 6 carbon. So put the 6 carbon in next slide. Okay. Six carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 1. Okay, we will take different color. Different type of color for the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For keto sugar, this is for keto sugar and this one is for aldo sugar. The structure of aldo sugar. In aldo sugar there is one OH group, then H, then H, OH, H, then OH. Okay, I think I did a mistake. Okay. Okay. For aldo sugar, there is one aldehyde group, that is CH or O. This is aldehyde group. Then second position पर OH group present होगा. Then third position पर H. Then OH, H, OH, OH, and देखिए see, in all of these position you can write like this. You can also write it like this. CH group. Okay. We will write it like this. In all these of position, there is only one H. There is only one H, that is in third position. One carbon, second carbon, third carbon, then fourth carbon, then fifth, and then sixth carbon. In all of these position opposite direction there is all OH. In third position there is H. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. In third position there is OH, no, there is keto group present. On all of this there is H, oh sorry, in second position, let me do it correct. In second position there is OH, keto group present. There is keto group present and OH, H, OH, 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 H, then H, then OH. This is H. This is aldocarbon, that is called basically glucose molecule, and this one is called fructose molecule. This one is called glucose. This is the structure of glucose molecule, and this is the structure of fructose molecule. This is the structure of fructose molecule. Let's going back to the last slide or previous slide. What is the, we will talk about the what is D form and what is L form. So we will talk about the what is chiral carbon. What are the chiral carbon? What are chiral carbon? Chiral carbon is basically that carbon which have 4 valency, and these 4 valencies are different from each other. X, Y, Z, W, X, Y, Z. These groups, those groups attached with the carbon are totally different from each other. That is known as chiral carbon. If we will talk about what are the chiral carbon. So there is OH group present having 4 valency, and this one is also having 4. 1, this is 1 and 2, and this is 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. This one is the last. There is a difference between third position in glucose and fructose. This one is the chiral. This one is the known as chiral carbon, last chiral carbon or second last carbon. This is called, on the basis of this we will decide what is D form and what is L form. What is D form and what is L form? If OH group is present on right side, like this one is called D form, and if OH carbon is present on the left side, it is known as if OH carbon is present on this side, this is known as L form. But rarely, this condition is very rare. Mostly glucose molecules are present in the D form. This is a question asked in CSIR net, that is, what is the difference between glucose and fructose? So there are difference in third position of glucose and second position of fructose. And there is one molecule is also present, that is known as galactose, which have in fourth chiral carbon. It is different from glucose and fructose and galactose. This position is known as, we will learn.